I'm going to share with you our core values that have helped make our firm extraordinary. And the first of these is that we live the golden rule. Doing unto others as I would have done unto me is how our entire firm is run. So first off, if I were the employee or the client, I'd want to work with a company that cares enough to have and then display their core values. So this is exactly what my team and my clients see when they walk through our front door. And if I worked for me, I'd want my boss to be awesome. I mean, really awesome. And so, in doing unto others, I've worked really hard to have a culture of awesomeness. We high-five each other in the hallway for no reason. We go on fun ski trips together. We share cakes the size of whole tables. We'll just decorate an employee's office with money for fun. The entire office experience is as awesome as I'd want it to be if I were the client. They enter as a guest and are greeted with a huge hug and then presented with a leather-bound menu of refreshments. There's 5 kinds of sparkling water alone. We literally set the bar for our clients' expectations in all other areas of their lives. The entire office experience is extraordinary by design. Now, our second core value is that we proactively take responsibility for our time management. Both old school planners and cutting-edge mobile apps are used to maximize the value of every single day. This simple day planner is used by myself and the entire team to plan out and then track each day's investment of time. Each day, every day, is clearly deemed to be a quantifiable success or failure. Leveraging technology also plays a key role in time management. Any action or habit that I want to repeat is programmed into an app that's on my watch or on my phone. I don't trust that I'm going to remember to do anything. I'm literally prompted to do all the things that I want to do. I have one set of health apps that help me set habits around exercise, tracking what I eat, and then there's others for my spiritual and mental health. Then there's a whole nother set of apps geared around wealth. And these help me to stay on top of my finances. The key here is to find the apps that work for you and then program them to buzz or beep when you need to take action. And last, but certainly not least, our third core value, which is becoming the best version of ourselves. To tackle the larger challenges ahead, we cannot just do our best. We're going to have to become our best. And to become our best is going to take building both confidence and capabilities. There's a secret I'm going to share with you here today that I've discovered, and it's that a daily strenuous exercise routine coupled with a daily centering, calming gratitude routine creates massive confidence. And with this limitless confidence, we can believe in ourselves enough to radically then increase our capabilities. But we first have to have the right mindset, which is where I'm going to share a second secret with you. It's using a vision board. And I use a vision board to have a mindset, okay? The mindset is that I am the victor of my past. I am the hero of the present, and I will be a blessing to the future. With limitless confidence and limitless capabilities, we can literally become the very best version of ourselves. We can become extraordinary. Thank you.